Dear students, in this video I am going to explain molecular orbital theory. Main features of molecular orbital theory are: number 1, it was developed by Hull and Mulliken. Molecular orbital theory is explained by LCAO method. LCAO means linear combination of atomic orbitals. Electrons of atoms present in atomic orbitals, where in molecules they are present in molecular orbitals. Molecular orbitals are formed by linear combination of atomic orbitals of some or nearly same energies. The number of molecular orbitals formed are equal to number of atomic orbitals combined. Molecular orbitals which have lesser energy called bonding molecular orbitals and represented by sigma or pi. Molecular orbitals having higher energy than atomic orbitals are called non-bonding orbitals and represented by sigma star or pi star. Filling up of electrons in molecular orbitals is done according to Hund's rule, Pauli's exclusion principle and Aufbau principle. Molecular orbital theory successfully explains the magnetic nature of molecules. Molecular orbital theory used to calculate bond order, that means number of bonds between atoms. The formula for bond order is equal to number of electrons in bonding orbitals minus number of electrons in non-bonding orbitals. Here you can observe in the diagram the molecular orbitals which have lesser energy than atomic orbitals are called bonding orbitals. The molecular orbitals which have higher energy than atomic orbitals are non-bonding orbitals. It is denoted by sigma star. Bonding orbitals are denoted by sigma. It is lesser energy than atomic orbitals. I will explain the molecular orbital structure of nitrogen molecule. In nitrogen molecule, there are two nitrogen atoms. In the diagram, the left side orbitals are atomic orbitals and right side orbitals are also atomic orbitals of another nitrogen. These two nitrogen atoms combine together to give N2 molecule. So in middle part of the structure we have molecular orbitals. Number of atomic orbitals combined is equal to number of molecular orbitals formed. So electrons are distributed according to the laws of electronic configuration. Here 4 electrons are distributed in sigma 1s and sigma star 1s. So in 2s atomic orbitals we have 4 electrons. So here sigma 2s molecular orbital have 2 electrons and sigma star 2s non-bonding molecular orbital also have 2 electrons. So nitrogen atomic number 7, it is less than 8. So therefore pi 2px pi 2py equal energy, both are equal energy orbitals comes first and then sigma 2pz. If atomic number is greater than 8, sigma 2pz comes first in this diagram. So pi 2pz pi 2py both have same energy. So 4 electrons are distributed in these two. Then the remaining 2 electrons placed in sigma 2pz. The remaining molecular orbital doesn't contain any electrons. Here in 2p orbital atomic orbitals, 3 electrons in one nitrogen and 3 electrons from other nitrogen. Total 6 electrons are distributed in this molecular orbitals. Now we are going to write the nitrogen molecule electronic configuration. Electronic configuration of nitrogen molecule is sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, pi 2px2, pi 2py2 and sigma 2pz2. The electrons present without star are called bonding electrons. So these two electrons are bonding electrons, and these two are also bonding electrons. These two and these two also bonding electrons. Total 10 electrons are bonding electrons, and only 4 electrons, sigma star 1s2, these two electrons considered as non-bonding electrons, and these two also sigma star 2s2, these two electrons also considered as non-bonding electrons. So now we want to find the bond order of nitrogen. Bond order means total number of bonds in nitrogen molecule. Bond order, the formula is number of bonding electrons minus number of non-bonding electrons by 2. So 10 minus 4 by 2, that is equal to 3. Nitrogen molecule has triple bond between two nitrogen atoms. In triple bond, one is sigma and two pi bonds. Nitrogen is diamagnetic because there is no unpaired electrons. Sorry, it is a spelling typing error. No unpaired electrons. So if any atom, any molecule contains no unpaired electrons, that is diamagnetic, and if any atom, any molecule contains unpaired electrons, that is a paramagnetic. And thank you for watching.